going to talk about defining success and maybe what their perception of that is and what they can learn from the lessons that I've had to go through, or the highs and the lows of my career and my journey, and what I define as success, and maybe it'll make a little impact to them.
And here comes Super Bowl 58, Kansas City Chiefs versus San Francisco 49ers.
It was good. I liked it. It was like really entertaining. The stories about the ESPN. I'm a big sports guy, so that was really fun to hear about it.
Signing out, Jack Stone. Back to you. All right,
and what we know is that when people feel connected, especially students, and they are a part of that school culture and pride, we perform academically better. So
I think it's interesting to hear like all of the different perspectives that I have. Like it's almost like enlightening. Like I understand how everybody else is running it. Like even just being in Mountain View, like I see all the bulletin boards and like the things that they have incorporated into their school to make things easier, and I think that it would be nice to incorporate that into Centennial.
You guys are going to discuss ways to sell that product to an unknown audience. Right now you don't know who it's going to be. So
I feel like it's really important because we get to hear a lot of perspectives and a lot of stories from people that we wouldn't have if we didn't come.
Something unique about you, you were still able to find something in common with people sitting at your table, whether you go to school with them or not.
Even though we're all different, we all share being different, and so we're trying to embrace that, I guess.
Yeah, you know, I have the privilege of traveling around with Dr. Bub to meet with our student council classes and leaders across the district. And it's such a priority for him because he wants to hear from these kids what the culture is like in their schools and what they really need.